So good day everyone. I wanna share you my own thoughts and understanding about the spiritual aspect of self and digital aspect of self. So this video I create this for educational purposes only. So I share you about the two different spiritual aspect and digital aspect of self. These two same are different. One is about the faith, one is about technology. So let's start about the spiritual aspect of self. The spiritual aspect of self is about our belief, values, and connection to something greater than ourselves. So whatever it's God, nature of the purpose of life. So and that's being spiritual is doesn't doesn't only mean it's religious. It also means being kind, honest, living with purpose in this world. So then and then that I explain you the digital aspect of self. So the digital aspect of self, this is how we present or express ourselves online. We social media and our post profile pic, profile picture and messages show apart who we are and in digital world. So for me the digital world self is powerful. It can build your image and connect you with others. So in my understanding, both the spiritual as and the digital shape my identity. So so I explain you so the about they're both spiritual and digital are important is becoming better than is becoming a better and more responsible person both in both online and real life. So I hope you understand my own thoughts and understanding about the spiritual and digital aspect of self. And thank you everyone. God bless.